Hi guys, welcome to this system. It's actually the XL, right? But with a Ctrl-Alt-E, you're in control. You have the tree tool, and I just installed Left LVM, the desktop that is currently really is in my heart, so to speak, right? Just a button away, boom, I got it on any of my machines. Now the topic is actually something completely different, and that's the fact that we have these meta packages. Sudo pacman -s, we are ArcoLinux, right? As you see, that didn't work quite well. ArcoLinux, and then we type tap. A few packages out there, and here are a few that might be of interest. Meta things. So not mate, but meta Asian fonts, meta fun, all kind of fun applications to log stuff. So there are several applications to find what's going on with my system, right? Logging. Logout is our beautiful Super X thing that we have. And Samba, yeah, you know what Samba is, sharing folders, sharing files over your internal network. All the SDDM themes from ArcoLinux in one go, easy, otherwise you have to type. So meta is actually a kind of group thing, so let's put everything together in one name, so everything else will be installed. So meta utilities as well is something that's good, covers a lot of packages. Now I see up here we have something red, right? So that's our little PAMAC, and PAMAC is something where I learn something from. I won't use it as an installer. I will use always the terminal, but it will show you, for instance, if we wanted to know what browse or then search here, if you look for the meta packages, that's all you need to do. Click on meta. Oh, that's always happening here. It's the QWERTY keyboard. And you can maybe, voila, ArcoLinux meta-log files, and no, probably better for dependencies. No, yes, okay, here provides this and that. Files we don't have yet, we can't see it, that's a pity. Anything else as example? Meta logout, dependencies, better. So depends on this and this and this and that. Files, we can't see that either. But it gives you an overview, and there might be others like meta-fun. That's a better example to show. So ASCII Aquarium, if I would install this thing, right? Maybe it's a good exercise. That's a good exercise. If I would install this little guy, so now I am installing with PAMAC, right? I'm not doing what I'm saying I should do, right? But look at that, 241 megabyte, but it's all fun stuff. The matrix is there, CX matrix, cool stuff, cool retro term, also interesting to have. Toilet, you were probably wondering what's toilet. Oh my god, right? What am I installing? Weather, so read this as weather. Weather in Antwerp is for me just a command. In here, W, where's my W? QWERTY W, weather, Antwerp, right? I have to wait till everything is installed, because now it's red. So meaning fish says, huh, what's that? So he's still installing. But the topic of the video is removing again, right? And there's a user on the forum says, look, I have TeamViewer. That's great. But probably he did not a sudo pacman -s TeamViewer, but an ArcoLinux TeamViewer. If you want to get rid of it again, you need to type also sudo pacman -remove ArcoLinux TeamViewer. So let's see what's going on here. Yeah. So this is an NVIDIA machine, and NVIDIA is working. You see it here. I can also do a NVIDIA settings, I think it's called, NVIDIA, and then settings. Voila. So if that's coming up, it's working. If you don't see that, you're using the Intel or AMD, but you're not using your NVIDIA hardware. So it's going to build me every little thing that's installed that needs a DKMS. What's that? ArchWiki DKMS. It is a operating system where you should read. A restart is take effect. Close, no, because I'm teaching, right? So now I have all these applications, and there was this is all in there. So an arrow up, weather Antwerp. I wonder, I think I made a mistake there without an E, right? Now it's blue. And this is my weather forecast for today to come, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So we definitely feel spring. That's in the air. Well, actually, I believe the weather is even better. Not on weather here, but somewhere else. On the news. Anyway, all these things, right? CX Matrix, it's all installed. Kava is there. Bash pipes is also a fun one. So have a look at the ArcoLinux-meta-fun, what that all is. It's definitely fun to show off with people. Say, look at that, I have the matrix, right? Super C. So if I want to get rid of everything again, then I do sudo pacman -r, and you try ArcoLinux meta-fun. It's probably what you first try, because you learned that remove is remove, but it's only one thing. Whoa, no. I want to remove everything else. Again, archwiki pacman read, or man pacman read. Type it in the terminal. Okay. So everything that's in that meta package is gonna be gone. Not everything, because you see here optionally. Okay, optionally means it can be deleted. Requires that. So voila, everything is gonna be gone again, which would be a pity, right? So no, more fun to just show you the ASCII aquarium, which is great for little kids and for us. There's even a shark on your computer. So lots of things, and if you're wondering, right, the topic of the video is install and remove from meta packages. But if you're wondering, hey, what is all this fun thing? Let's see what we find if we type ArcoLinux fun package. What do we get? What do we get? Fun ArcoLinux. Install Doom 2 on ArcoLinux. Install fun stuff for the terminal on ArcoLinux. Minecraft. Feed the Beast, Minecraft. Spigot Server, Minecraft. So probably gonna be this one, the fun stuff. Installing fun stuff, and here we keep track of what's in there, right? And you see a video here and some images that you know, okay, that's bash top and that's C matrix and that's cool retro term. So this was our computer system years ago, right? These screens that we had. Beautiful. So have a look. Midnight Commander, remember the days of Midnight Commander. Ranger, we have the locomotive. Pipes, this is the bash pipes, right? All kind of different sort of pipes you can draw. Always interesting. So basically, guys, this is something that people make screenshots with and then show off, hey, look how beautiful this is. But did you know that there was a radio on your terminal? Of course, radio, stuff like that. CX Matrix. There is so much fun, and this is basically terminal fun. All right, I'm out. Remember that there are meta packages. You can install the meta packages and you can remove the meta packages. Maybe I said to you, ArchWiki pacman, please read. But if you don't have internet and you're at the beach, right, man, pacman, don't think you're alone and start reading. All right, I'm out. Cheers.